Start now.
Hi, very good morning to all, and a very good morning to my honorable and very respectable teacher, Mr. Pandey. And this is me, Nikita Kakkar, in front of you all guys. And I got a very beautiful topic by my respectable mentor, and that is about emotions. And this is my one of favorite part of a human being, nature of human being. If I talk about that, how we can win emotions by someone else or by ourselves also. So the most significant thing is that you just need to understand someone's emotions, that what she or he is feeling, what she or he feels, and what they are, what in their mind. By emotions we can understand many things in our life, and we can do number of things for people. If a person is very emotional, it doesn't mean that he doesn't have any sense to go ahead in his life. The thing is that emotions are always about a human, and they represent their personality towards people. And my personal perspective is on that. If a person is full of with emotions, so it means he or she is a very great human being, because they could never tell a lie to others. They could never they can't give like betray, and they can't ditch anyone in their life. It could be your any kind of relationship with someone else. So my thing is that we shouldn't overdone by yourself, like on emotions. Yes, emotions are just about a part of human body, part of our feelings, and we should always respect that, and we should always respect others. But sometimes it can harm us, because over emotions can destroy us very easily. So don't be too much serious about yourself. Whatever you are feeling about you, sometimes you just need to keep it in your side, in your mind, because there are number of people who can make you laugh, who can just take your advantages of yourself. So it can be very meaningless. So according to me, emotions are great. We should have this, and I have many examples. As we all know that our representative of India, Mr. Modi, he is also very emotional person. If you guys can see while speaking, he has he is always has tears in his eyes. And if I say, like, if I would like to take more examples of, like, recently, as we all know that Ambani is wedding in training right now, and I saw that man. I'm talking about here Mr. Mukesh Ambani. He was also crying on her daughter-in-law farewell. He was crying behind the crowd. So even though he is the most billionaire, he is the richest person of our nation, and still he is very emotional.